Hello student, today we will learn how to reverse a string in Java. So to answer this question, we have got three ways of doing it. Number one, by using arrays, we can find reverse of a string, and second one is by using string builder class of string of Java, string builder class of strings of Java, and then by using recursion method. So all these are very important and asked in interviews how to reverse a string. Sometime they specify, and sometime you get a choice of selecting a method of your own. So here we will do the reverse of a string by one. So we will start with the by using arrays. So now let us move to Eclipse IDE, and here we can create a class. So just go here to your Java package, and in this one you can create a class, and here this class name you can give reverse string, reverse string. Give this class name as reverse string and finish it. Now here you can start making your first of all, how you will start, this is important. If you want to give user input, you can do it by that way, and if you want to just initialize a string, and even you can do by that way. So here I will start my program. I will create a scanner class object first, because I want to get it from user. So scanner scn, and then I'll create a new scanner class, and then here you can write out system.in object. Scanner class object has been created, and you need to import util package. So done. Now after this, here you can get input from user. So print here enter a string. So user will enter a string, and that string has to be converted. So for this you need to get input from the user. So take a string, say string is my string, and get it from user. For this you will have to use your scanner class object scn, and then use the method next. Use method next, and with this you will be able to get user input. Now once you have got the user input, as we have discussed, there are three methods, so I will start one by one. So using arrays, so now what I will do, I want a revert of the string. So right here reverse string, and this you will get from where? You will get it from calling a function, and that function I'll write rev string one method, and I'll pass my string to it. I have passed this to rev string. So pass in the class now here, and we need to create this method. So public static. Why static? Because it is here defined here, declared here, so we need to write static method. So what it will return? It will return string. So function name is, method name is rev string, and string 1, and make it capital. This will be nice. Then once you have done this, you need to pass a parameter to this, and that is I'll write mystr. Now once you have done this, first of all you need to create this to an array. So how will you convert that? So first of all, define an array, declare an array. So I'll write char, and I'll write this array as my array, and my array, and you need to create with new mystr dot to a character array. Now this has been converted. Once this has been converted, you need to, this is your my string, and this is my string, and here it has been converted. So yeah, correct, it is my string to character array. Now after this, here I'll run a loop. So that loop will be for int I equal to my array dot length. So I will find out length of the array first, and then one character less than, please. Then I greater than equal to 0 means loop will start from the end and it will move till the first character. So then I minus minus. Then after this variable what you have created there, my array dot length, and then after this what you will write? You will write here, as you will get it in the reverse order. So now you can print it, system dot out, or either you can take a variable you can store in that one, rev equal to rev str. Let us take rev str equal to str equal to rev str. It will be my array index I. So whatever is there, this that will be need to define here one string. Was creating reverse string and put it like this. So now this string has been created, and then after that what you need to do here, you need to return this. Remove this public is okay and return it. Return rev str. So I think everything is matching as per the requirement. The way this has been given, we have done that. And then I think not new is not required. This is showing error. Means no need to new object. We are not creating new object, rather we are converting it and initializing my array with that. So my str is this, and my str has been converted to character, and then this has been this has been assigned to my array. So each character will be assigned to my array, and now we can run a loop. This loop is starting with I equal to my array dot length, and then it will go on. So once it has been done, then you can print it now. And it will be returning what? It will be returning reverse string. So here, as we have defined a string, so it is matching to that. So once it is matching, now come down to here and print this reverse string. So print system.out.println, system.out.println, and print here reverse string. So it should return you reverse of this. So just save it and run it. So here what you can do, let us suppose if I give here little up, so that output will be, so if I'll write here sparrow, so what we got a reverse of the sparrow. And this is one way of doing it, by using arrays. Now second way, reverse a string using arrays. This was string 1, one method which is being done with the help of arrays. Now we will create another method, and in this method what we are doing, we are using StringBuilder class. So another method, now we can use here reverse a string using StringBuilder class, StringBuilder class. So this is the simplest way of doing it. So I'll just do the same thing here and print it. So reverse string, this has been already initialized, so need not to declare it. Rather we will be calling another function, and whatsoever value will be coming to this, that will be assigned to rev string, and rev string will be again printed. So now go back to another function here in the inside of the class. Here define your another method. So here again you will write public static string is to be returned, if this is return type, then rev string 2 is this is also taking one input, that is string mystr. Now once you have given this input to this, after this you need to rev string 2. So after this we will have to we will be using string builder class. So create object of string builder class first. String builder say sb equal to new string builder, and here what you are giving, you are you are creating object of it, and then once you have created object of it, then what you will write, ob dot, so I'll sb dot we have got a method. Which method? We have got a method reverse. And this input you can directly specify here mystr you can specify here. So this string will be, sb will be initialized with the mystr, then sb will be reversed, and once it has been reversed, because you need to convert it to string, and then return this sb dot reverse dot string, for either you can assign to some string here, string say I'll write here revstr reverse string, and then return it, and now again run this one. So when you will run it, you will get the output for it again. So run this method, type here say sparrow, see again 2 times it has come now. First sparrow reverse, this was the second way. The first way by array, second by using string builder class, and now we will do it by third way, and that is by using recursion method. So normally this method is going to be very, very important, please. Most of the time it is asked, how will you reverse a string by using recursion. So recursion method is asked many times, so please be good with this, using recursion method. So again I'll do the same thing, I'll declare a string free and I'll print it. Now go up in the class body, and here declare another method, declare and define. So I'll write here public static string, and here you define your third method and pass a parameter to it, that is argument mystr. Then after that you need to as you will be doing recursion method, so keep in mind this method has to be called, so keep in mind this has to be written, called again and again, so let it be, you have to do this. Now reverse string is method, this is to be called. Recursion means this method will be working as a loop, this will be calling this will be calling again and again, but how many times? Until your string becomes null, or the length is either becomes 0 or less than 1. So you will have to apply a check here. If your string means your mystr is equal to null, if it is null, or you will have to apply another condition, or mystr length if less than equal to 1. If it is getting less than equal to 1, then you need not to do anything, return your string directly. Return your string means mystr. But if there are values in this one, so what you will do, go to your else. In the else, what you will write, you will have to call this method. What method? Reverse string. But keep in mind, in, because see, it is a loop. So how will you start your loop, and how will you pass on your values to your to again and again, because you will be calling again and again to this. So from here to here, here to here, you need to go up and down, up, I mean you will have to run a loop every time you are calling it, until unless your string is getting null, or either your string is having length, if it's your string getting over your string characters. So what you will do in this case, you will be using mystr dot, you need to write here mystr substring. You have to extract substring, that is mystr substring, and then from the substring what you are going to get from mystr, say you are going to get characters, say from first location, to till the last location, means character leaving the first one, and that character should be added here, that means, what I mean to say, you are adding this character at 0 to your reverse string. So your loop will go like this: my string dot substring, and you are substring, and then what you are supposed to do, finally, because the value will be coming to this reverse string, so directly return it. You need not to do anything else. Reverse the string, and keep in mind, every time this character at 0 will be added to reverse string. So here the loop character at mystr dot character at 0. So means what it is, how it is functioning actually. See, just I'll run it and then I'll let you know how we can move with this. Let us run it and see its output, then I'll explain this. Run it, the Java application, and then proceed with this. Say, give here a string input, that is sparrow. It is reverse string 3, output is here, error is coming up. So my string length is less than equal to this, correct? This is correct. Let us see up. Okay, here you can see, I think 3 times here I was just getting confused. The 3 output are there, 3 things is coming up. So with this, let us go back to this. So what is the functioning of this one? So here, when you are doing it by recursion method, what's happening here? You have called a method reverse string 3 and you have passed a parameter mystring. When you are passing this to reverse string 3, this is moving to here. So when it has moved here, now first of all you are checking out whether the string is null. I mean whether whether the string is having null values, or either the value of the length of the string is 0 or less than, I mean it is equal to 1 or less than 1. If it is this, then you need not to do any kind of reversing or anything. Just there will be no process will go on. So things will string will be returned as it is, as there are no more characters. But in the second case, if it is not true, then it's moving to else part. When it is moving to else part, see here what you are doing. We are passing mystr, we are passing rab string method, rab string 3 method to one argument as my string dot substring 1. It means it will be taking character from the from your string, my string, where you have written sparrow, and when you have written sparrow, that now it will be taking character from the first. It means it will be leaving the first character and that character will be picked up by this. So this loop will, I mean, first time it will be picking out from sparrow, W will be picked out. In the next case, again it will go back, because this loop has to be checked out again and again. It will go back. Then in the next case, it will be picking out your O. Then again in the next case, it will go picking out your R. Then again it will go up. Then it will be picking out R. Like this, it will go on, and every time whatever the first character is coming up in that one, because this is a loop, it means in the index automatically you are moving to next index in the my str. When you are moving to the next index, that means that character is being picked up and is being assigned to reverse string. So like this process is going on, and finally your reverse string is being done. So with this, I think the all are done. So hopefully you must have understood this. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.